Hi you all, my name is Mary. This reading is for Sagittarius. How are you all today? Hope everybody's doing great. Please keep in mind that this may or may not resonate with everybody at this time, but it may at a later date. Either when you find it or it finds you. Let's see what we got, you all. Well, that's a beautiful card. Ten of Cups. Ten of Wands. The Star card. The Lovers, the Chariot, Knight of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Strength card. Give me just a minute, okay? Alright you all, before we get started we will be taking some clarifying cards in just a little bit, so hang in there with me for a second. I want to say something right off the bat, okay? I almost feel like your family is very important to you, which of course I don't almost feel like that, but your family is very important to you. But I almost feel like that there may be something going on with your children, possibly with the burden in the middle and then two younger energies here. These could be some kind of issues that's going on in your family or within your with your kids, or with maybe you're trying to help them too much. Maybe there's a lot of nonsense that's going on between children maybe at this time. Now it might be something completely different, but I have a feeling that's going to resonate with some of you all. And the only thing that you guys want at this time is to have a happy family. And maybe they're arguing with each other. Maybe it's you in the middle and you just feel a huge burden on your shoulders right now. Sometimes these are kids that are still living in your home, and sometimes these are kids that live outside of your home. They're grown up. But I just wanted to say that right off the bat. Hold on just a minute. Look at this, you all. You've got the Lovers, you've got the Ten of Cups, and you've got the Chariot. Some of you all are in this relationship and you're moving forward in this relationship. So if you're not married, for instance, you guys may be considering getting engaged, getting married. If you're not living together, this could be the two of you guys living together or moving in together. So I just have a feeling that this has a lot to do with a relationship, a happy family, and moving forward. And if there is issues with your children, we're going to take a clarifying for that Ten of Wands here in a minute. You guys probably already know this, but the Ten of Wands is an ending to that burden, to that aggravation, to the stress, to whatever's going on that is keeping you down, or that gives you that stomach ache, or that works you too much. Sometimes it's just you're working too much, for heaven's sakes, and you've got too many things going on in your life and you don't have enough time to do everything that you're wanting to do. But look at it this way, okay? You've got the Ten of Wands, the Ten of Cups, and the Star card, you all. And I get excited when I see the Star card because you all probably know this. This is a wish coming true. This is almost like, in my mind anyway, this is the universe handing you something, showing you something, giving you some information, nudging you a little bit, saying, hey, pay attention to this big bright star right here, because if you'll pay attention to it, if you'll listen to it, if you'll acknowledge it, it will show you the path that you're supposed to take. This is a wish coming true, you all. And I believe it has something to do with this family situation here. Just maybe you're just wanting peace and everybody to get along, or maybe it's the two children arguing with each other, or maybe they expect too much of you at the time, or you and your spouse, or your boyfriend, girlfriend, and it's getting to be too much. Hold on. I have this Queen of Pentacles, which is an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. A lot of you guys may be dealing with an earth sign. And I have a feeling, she can stand for birth, fertility, and different things like that. You guys may find out there may be more children coming, possibly. Maybe these are your children, maybe these are your grandchildren, maybe. But on top of that, she's very, usually now, I can't speak for everyone, but in my mind right now, she's very kind and caring. And I think that she may help you in different ways at this time. She or he, it can be a male as well. But I have a feeling, earth signs are very practical, they're very down to earth, usually they're very patient, and kind and caring and giving. So you guys may find yourself, maybe you're dating someone that's an earth sign. Maybe this is the lover's situation. Or maybe this is a good friend or someone in your family that's coming in to help you in different ways. Whether they're helping take some of the burden off of your shoulders. Maybe this is someone you work with. Maybe this is a neighbor. It can go in a lot of different ways. But for some reason I feel like she's very loving and giving at this time. Hold on. This person may be the one showing you or pointing you in the right direction of this star card as well. Then there's the Strength card. Sometimes we don't feel like that we're going to have enough strength to deal with certain situations. Do you ever feel that way? Sometimes you feel like, can I do this? And am I strong enough to do this? Do I have enough energy to do this? And sometimes it kind of bogs you down a little bit because you start thinking, man alive, this is a lot, or whatever it may be. But then you get this Strength card. And this Strength card, in my mind, it boosts your energy. It gives you the extra determination and the extra strength that you need at this time. So with this card here, it's helping you in different ways. It's helping you possibly with these younger energies, maybe. It's helping you follow your dream and get to where you're wanting or needing to be at this time. It's helping with your relationship and your family, possibly too. I'm going to look at this in a different way, okay? Let's say that these younger energies are not people at all, okay? Let me look at this in a different way. This could be you and your energy, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So whenever I see this knight right here, it can be very self-confident, energetic, a risk taker to a certain extent. This could be you, and you guys are looking out for your family and gathering strength, determination, and doing something maybe different, moving forward in something that's different. This could be a messenger. He can stand for being a messenger. And if it is a messenger, this could be something that's coming in, giving you guys information regarding your finances, possibly, regarding maybe a new job, a new project, a new business, things like that. So this messenger could bring you guys moving forward and giving you guys extra strength and determination and having faith and trusting and believing that you can do whatever it is that you guys are setting out to do. But I have a feeling it has something to do with this Lovers and this Ten of Cups, which is your family. That's all your biggest concern right now, is to either make peace or for safety. I feel that word safety keeps popping in my head. And maybe that's where this is coming in. You guys are going to move somewhere different or move forward, into this relationship to the next steps, okay? I'm going to take a card first for that Ten of Wands. This one's wanting to come out. It just... Five of Wands. Uh-oh. That's what I'm afraid of. It's drama. Hold on. I'm sorry I got that card, you all. Here's the thing. You know, the Five of Wands, I usually just see it as drama. That's exactly what it is. It could be drama between children. It could be drama in your household. It could be drama that people are stirring up when there's really no drama at all, but for some reason somebody's got to add drama to your bowl of happiness, and it's just nonsense is what it is. I'm going to take another one. That's how I kind of felt at the beginning anyway, and I'm sorry to say that, because that's not cool. It really is not cool. Six of Pentacles, giving and receiving. Oh boy. Are you guys giving? Giving? Giving to your children, giving to your family, giving to people that may or may not appreciate it. Sometimes though, you all, this kind of turns around and says that you guys are going to get something in return. You know how sometimes when you try to help people and your intentions are good and you want to help them, but then after a period of time it's like, you know, do they appreciate it anymore, or do they just expect it? But then something flips around and turns around and something comes in your favor. I'm kind of feeling like both ways right now. I'm feeling like on one hand you guys are giving to where you don't want to give anymore, and enough is enough, and that could be the burden here and the drama. I'm going to be honest, I'm sorry, but then I feel like this is going to flip around in your favor, and you're going to receive something, this wish coming true. Because not that you're expecting it, not that you're depending on it or looking for it, but every once in a while, the universe, the divine, will turn things around and give you something because you deserve it. And right now, I'm feeling like you're about to get something good that comes out of this. I'm going to take one more. I like the way I feel. Even though I'm sorry the way I feel at the beginning, I like the way I feel at the end. Let's put it that way. Because I think you guys do deserve something nice and good to come in for you. This one wants to come out. Let's let it. The High Priest. Well now. I could take it like that this relationship is going marriage? Contracts? Maybe. Maybe this is spirituality, maybe this is religion, maybe this is contracts. This could definitely be engagements or marriages for some of you guys moving forward into this relationship. Maybe you have kids, they have kids, you're bringing both families together. Maybe that's where the drama is coming in. Maybe, not sure. But honestly, the High Priest just makes me feel like that some of you guys could be getting married, maybe even running off and getting married, eloping, without telling anybody, and maybe that's where the drama's coming in. I'm not sure. But on the flip side of him too, he can stand for going back to church. He can stand for higher education. Some of you guys may be praying a little bit more, getting some of the prayers answered that you guys are hoping for at this time. Maybe that's where your wish comes true here. Hold on a second. think I'm going to take one more for the High Priest after that one. I was considering taking some for the Knight and the Page up there, but honestly, I think they may have something big to do with this, so we're going to leave them the way they are. Two of Swords, you all. Checkmate, right? This is having options and you're not exactly sure what to do. Is it because of children or grandchildren, or is it because of this relationship? It could go both ways or either way. Let me fix these a little bit. They're just off whack. I have a feeling you guys have a couple of options in mind and you know which way you're wanting to go, but for some reason something's holding you back. It could be, like I said earlier, because of kids. Now, if you don't have kids, maybe these are someone else's kids, maybe. Or maybe, like I said earlier, this is just you guys wanting to get started or start taking on this relationship possibly, or maybe it's a new project that you guys can work together with. Maybe it's something that you've been wishing and hoping for and praying for. Something here is moving forward. Let's take one more. Page of Wands now. Hold on. Another younger energy, right? Could be a messenger. Give me a second. Let me look at this. Let me think about it. You know, he can stand for happy news coming in. Doing something fun and exciting. Changing something around, changing something up, something that's fun, a new journey or adventure possibly. I don't know why I have kids on my mind with these cards, but they can also be messengers, you all. So let's, if you don't have children or don't have issues right now, let's go with the messengers and the energies at this time. Let's take one more. Wow, Chariot once again. Hold on. You guys are going to move forward with this whole situation, whether these are kids or whether these are energies or whether they're messengers possibly. Something is coming in that's going to try to bring drama into your life, but for some reason you guys are giving something out there and you're going to be able to get something back, and you're not looking for it, you're not expecting it. It's going to be a pleasant surprise. I believe it has something to do with this Star card, a wish coming true for you all. And I also think that this is something that you guys are going to be excited about, something that you've been thinking about or praying about. Could possibly have something to do with this relationship or your family situation, but you're moving forward here. Some of you guys are flat out getting married, I'm going to tell you right now. Maybe just eloping off the bat. And it could bring your family in, and it could cause a little bit of a riff at first, but you know what? That's okay. But with the other page, it could be a messenger, and that's going to ease your mind and give you some sort of good news, and you guys are going to be able to move forward. Your family's going to be able to move forward. Your kids are going to get over it, and this relationship is going to be better than ever, I believe. So if you guys are in any of those kind of pickles, then I believe it's all going to work itself out, okay? And I do believe with this star card here, you're going to be tickled with the way it works out. And I think your family and your happiness is number one, and I think you're moving forward. Some of you guys are physically moving somewhere. Some of you are traveling or going on vacation or traveling somewhere. But some of you guys are just flat out moving forward and not looking back. I'm going to stop there. I don't know why I'm picking those cards up. I'm going to pick a couple for the side over here. Trust. That's very similar to the Strength card, right? Trust, believe, have faith, trust in yourself, pray about it, and the next thing you know, things are going to work themselves out. Trust in this relationship. If this is what you guys want, I say go for it, and then don't let anything come between you. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness, you all. Peaceful resolution. You know, I'm sorry to say that if this is the situation that you guys are in regarding family members, children, grandchildren, maybe these are siblings, brothers and sisters, maybe it's just riff-raff that you don't necessarily want to deal with, just drama that's unnecessary. Whatever it is, it's going to turn out peaceful. You need to trust in yourself, trust in your loved ones, trust in your relationship, have faith, believe in yourself, pray about it, and just be able to move forward. I mean, I think a lot of you guys maybe just want to be happy, and for heaven's sakes, you have the right to be happy, okay? Now, if there is any riffraff or drama or whatever, it is going to turn out peaceful, so just remember that, and you guys are going to be able to move forward and be happy. So I'm sorry that I had to get some of those cards, but honestly, sometimes it has to work itself out, and you guys hopefully understand that, but it's going to turn out peacefully. Honestly, it will. So if this is a relationship that you're wanting, or you're just wanting to be happy, you're going to be able to be happy very, very soon. All right, you all, this reading is for Sagittarius. I hope you guys enjoyed it today. Please remember that it may or may not resonate with everybody at this time, but it may at a future date, either when you find it or it finds you. Take care, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.